Hello everyone. So our next topic for discussion and for your point of view of examination which is upcoming, like your PGT exam and your UGC NET exam is on the corner. जल्दी ही आने वाले हैं, 21 जून से एग्जाम्स स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं, तो उसके लिए प्रिपेयर करेंगे। और आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है दैट इज जॉन कीट्स नेगेटिव कैपेबिलिटी। व्हाट एग्जैक्टली नेगेटिव कैपेबिलिटी इज ऑल अबाउट? देखो, इसकी जो प्रॉपर डेफिनेशन है दैट इज अबाउट फाइंडिंग द सर्टेनिटीज इनटू अनसर्टेनिटीज। यही उन्होंने शेक्सपियर की क्वालिटी के लिए कहा एंड दिस इज ट्रूली डेडिकेटेड टू विलियम शेक्सपियर। क्यों कहा? इस टर्म का मीनिंग क्या है? बेसिकली इट इज अ कैपेसिटी टू एक्वायर it is a capacity of the artist to pursue or capacity to pursue ideals of beauty. It is ideals of beauty, perfection and sublimity. परफेक्शन एंड सब्लिमिटी, ये इन तीन चीजों को मिला के जब हम कोई भी चीज देते हैं हम उसको नेगेटिव कैपेबिलिटी में। बट व्हाई इट इज नेगेटिव कैपेबिलिटी? बिकॉज ही वाज जॉन कीट्स वाज एल्केमिस्ट। ये एक जो है वी कैन से दैट ही वाज वर्किंग एज अ फार्मासिस्ट। ये एक सर्जन के साथ काम करते थे, एज अ फार्मासिस्ट काम करते थे। एंड व्हेन यू गो फॉर अ ब्लड टेस्ट, if something is positive, you don't have you are going for a blood test for sugar and there is no traces, then what the doctor will say ki the report is negative. That means there is no traces, the report is positive. So this is what he has said, it is a positive capability, which he has said the negative capability, that it is to acquire the thing without giving any kind of negative impact of that. तो इन्होंने इसको किस तरीके से लाइक नेगेटिव कैपेबिलिटी, हम जब जानते हैं कि इसकी टर्म है, लेकिन व्हाई इट इज नेगेटिव? बिकॉज द एबिलिटी टू एक्सेप्ट अनसर्टेनिटीज, राइट? द नेगेटिव एंड नेगेटिव बिकम द पॉजिटिव। तो ही सेड कि द एबिलिटी ऑफ एक्सेप्ट अनसर्टेनिटीज एंड मिस्ट्रीज uncertainties, mysteries and doubts, without an or you can say without an immediate need to seek any kind of reason. ठीक है? The ability to accept the uncertainties इसकी क्या आगे होने वाला है, mysteries जो भी हम क्रिएट कर रहे हैं या डाउट्स जो भी आ रहे हैं, उन सबको बिना किसी भी रीजन के हम लोग जब एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं और उनको अपने वर्क में इंक्लूड करके उससे जो एक नया प्रोडक्ट निकाला, लाइक ही हैज प्लेड विद द 3 यूनिटीज, ही हैज टेकन एक्सपेरिमेंट्स विद द वेरियस क्लासिकल रूल्स, उन सभी चीजों को यहाँ पे बोला है कि एबिलिटी टू एक्सेप्ट अनसर्टेनिटीज, उसे नहीं पता था आगे क्या होने वाला है। ही क्रिएटेड मिस्ट्रीज एंड डाउट्स इन हिज वर्क विदाउट अ नीड to find the facts or reason. Find the facts or reason. ये है इसकी basic definition why it is called as negative capability. First, it is a capacity to pursue idea of beauty, perfection and sublimity, even by showing the negation. Second, ability to accept uncertainties, mysteries and doubts without a need to find the fact and reason कि why he is showing whatever is thing और लोग उसे accept भी कर रहे हैं. तो this is basically a state of receptibility, मतलब acceptance. It is a state of receptibility and openness to experience and openness to experience rather than to impose explanation. किसी भी चीज को जो वो कर रहे हैं उसको सीधा वहां पे रख दिया है. He is not giving explanation कि why I have done this and this is thing. He has not written any kind of prefaces or have justified his way of working or the characterization or the story building or presentation. He has not done anything like that. He has like I'm talking about, he means Shakespeare. So Shakespeare has not given any such kind of thing like explanation about his work character or the sources whichever he has done. He gathered the information, he presented, he made it well, he presented it well and leave the conclusion to the audience. This is negative capability. So यहाँ पे he believes this crucial his belief that this crucial quality was a part of this crucial quality was a reason for great writers. He was a reason for the success of or fame of the great writer. So he said what the negative capability is. Negative capability is basically the openness to experience or to adventure without caring for that what happened next. So he basically has dedicated this to Shakespeare and he said that he has fully embarrassed, he has fully accepted the human qualities and experiences and has embedded all these qualities into his work. उसने जितना ह्यूमन नेचर को दैट एज अ लिविंग बीइंग उसने उनको एक्सपीरियंस किया, जो भी चीज़ें उसे पता थी उन सबको उसने अपने वर्क में एम्बेड करा, उसको डाला, हर तरीके के कैरेक्टर को बिल्ड करा और प्रेजेंट भी करा. ही हैज़ टेकन अ चांस, ही हैज़ टेकन द रिस्क every time and he was successful. So this is the quality, or you can say that kind of creativity is called negative capability. Now where he has used this term, he has used this term in 1817 in the letters which he has written to his elder brother and has mentioned that Shakespeare has the negative capability and he was very crucial about it. He basically what the exact sentence is, that especially in literature in which Shakespeare possessed so enormously, I mean negative capability, that is when a man is capable of being in uncertainties, mysteries and doubts without any irritable reaching after fact or reason. This is the definition which he has given in his work, in the letter which he has written to his brother. And he has also compared in the latter Shakespeare with Coleridge. Okay. So it was properly positive thing which he called negative, and he has given the most positive idea for Shakespeare. इसमें ये चीज भी आप अपने इसमें मेंशन करके रखिएगा that 1817 letters to his elder brother. Another thing, he dedicated it to William Shakespeare. He made a crucial comparison between Shakespeare and Coleridge. These are the three major points which is to be noted. कि उसने उसके साथ और किसको कंपेयर करा था, उसने कोलरिज को इसके लिए कंपेयर करा था कि whether he was also at that level. उसने कहा कि वो उस लेवल तक तो नहीं पहुंचा लेकिन he was also doing the same thing, right? So for more such kind of information and knowledge, you can stay tuned to our channel and stay blessed. Bye everyone, take care.